So very good morning all of you, and today we are going to learn that when should we not pronounce silent letters in English sentences, right? So it is going to be very important topic to all of you, right? So I would request you, please don't skip the video and please watch this video till the end. So when we'll start with the A letter, and when we do not pronounce A, so there are some scenarios where we do not pronounce A. So the first thing, we do not pronounce A when it comes before double ly, right? So at the end of the sentence, if the sentence ends with double ly, we do not pronounce A most of the time, right? For an example, like eventually, right? So sentence ends with double ly, a double ly, so we do not pronounce A, so we say eventually, right? Now the second point is, most of the time we do not pronounce A when it comes after E, okay? And the third is, like, we do not pronounce A most of the time when it comes after O as well. You can see here, right? For an example, loan, it's not loan, it's loan. It's float, right? It's bore, right? So in these words that you can just focus in my pronunciation, that I'm not pronouncing A, right? Now let's move to the next alphabet. It is B. When we do not pronounce B in the sentence, when B comes after M, okay? So whenever the sentence and whenever the B comes after M in the sentence, we do not pronounce B, right? And the second topic is, like, we do not pronounce B when it comes before T, okay? So for an example, you can see there are some examples, like shuttle, okay? So shuttle, it's not subtle, so we pronounce this as shuttle, right? So we do not pronounce B in this sentence, right? Debt, it's a debt, right? So you can just notice that I'm not pronouncing B. Now, so as I told you, that when we do not pronounce B when it comes after M, when it comes after M, yeah. Like for an example here, com, it's a com, not com, okay? So we do not pronounce B because it is followed by M, okay? Warm, Tom, plumber, so it is not plumber, it's plumber. So whenever you just pronounce this word, so you pronounce as plumber, not plumber. Plumber is a totally incorrect pronunciation of this word, right? Now let's move to the next alphabet. It is C. When we do not pronounce C, so most of the time we do not pronounce C when it comes after S or before EIY. So you'll have to remember this thing, that when C comes before S, or after S and before EIY, we do not pronounce C. For example, Caesar, okay? Science, okay? Yacht, right? Now the next is, like, D. When D is silent in the sentence, when it comes with ND and DG, okay? So whenever the ND comes in the sentence but together, we do not pronounce ND, okay? When DG come in the sentence together, we do not pronounce DG, right? So you'll have to remember that in the sentence, when these two alphabets come together, we do not pronounce. When these two come together, we do not pronounce. Like for example, you can see here plunge, okay? So plunge, here you can see D and G together, right? So whenever D and G come together in the sentence, we do not pronounce it. Okay, so it is pledge, right? It is pledge. We do not pronounce D. Okay, gurge. It's a gurge. You can see it's not a grudge, it's gurge, right? So we are not pronouncing D because D is silent here. Sandwich, because you can see, okay, D is followed by N, right? So we do not pronounce D when it comes after N. Handsome. Okay, so it's a sandwich, it's not sandwich, it's a sandwich. So the correct pronunciation is sandwich, right? And it's handsome, not handsome, because most of the people in India pronounce this sentence as handsome. No, it's not handsome, it's handsome, right? We do not pronounce D. Now let's move ahead. The next alphabet is E. When we do not pronounce E, when it comes, we do not pronounce E most of the time when sentence ends with E, right? When it comes at the end of the sentence, we do not pronounce E. Okay, so please remember, if E comes and at the end of the sentence, please don't pronounce that word. As you can see here, some of the example like mate. Okay, it's a mate. It's not meaty, it's a mate. Now strip, it's a strip, not a streep. Okay, so you'll have to remember, whenever E comes at the end of the sentence, please don't pronounce it. Now the next alphabet is G. So we do not pronounce G when G come with N in the sentence. Okay, so whenever you find G and together in the sentence, please do not pronounce G. Okay, and there is one more point when we do not pronounce G, when it comes with H. Okay, so you'll have to remember, is like when G comes with N or when G comes with H. Okay, we do not pronounce G. For an example, when G comes with N, like in sign, this is example, it's a sign, it's not sign, it's a sign. Okay, so we are not pronouncing G right here. Foreign, right? Now high, okay, it's a high, we are not pronouncing G. It's a tough, right?